Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video I am going to be showing you how you can simply get an Ethereum wallet. This can be done by simply clicking on the icon on the top left corner of the screen, where you simply click on receive. You're taken to your tokens menu, where you simply scroll or click on Bitcoin and scroll down to Ethereum. As you can see, it is stated here, this is the Ethereum network. As you can see, this is an Ethereum wallet. As you can see, just underneath Ethereum, it's an Ethereum wallet. This is where you can receive your tokens and the rest. This becomes your new Ethereum wallet. This becomes your new Ethereum wallet address if you've not been able to access this before. And your Ethereum is built on several networks. You have the Polygon Ethereum, Optimism, Arbitrum, Avalanche, C-Chain. Okay guys, so that's how you can simply get your Ethereum wallet address on the Coinbase mobile app. It's quite simple. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about this, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.